We are introducing a very good herbal medicine against cough. The leader of this medicine is Omavalli or Karpuravalli or Panikurka. We need 5 leaf. 5 leaf you have to take it and put it in 50 ml boiled water. Leave it for 10 minutes, filter it and add 10 ml honey to that. Drink like this 4 or 5 times. If you repeat few days, this will stop cough completely.